What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat. We got a box full of carbon fiber goodness. If you watched the last video, you know that I told you to go ahead and guess, but I guess here's the reveal. The hood is coming off, guys. I went ahead and took the windshield wash fluid sprayer things off of the hood already, so that's ready to go. I still haven't opened up the box, so I have no idea if it's damaged even. I do have all the screws off except for one to make it easier for you guys. Alright guys, the moment that you guys have been waiting for. We got one screw holding the box open. The moment I've been waiting for, to be honest.
I got a smile on my face looking at it. It's not even one color.
Guys, this is Veloce, 100% carbon fiber. The bolts that came out are the ones that you're gonna have to put it back. Alright guys, we got the hood installed now. For those that don't know, this is the Ventus Veloce hood. It looks absolutely amazing. Taking it outside, washing the car, it's filthy. And then we will ceramic coat the hood.
Big like shaving cream, right? Huh? I said big like shaving cream.
All functional vents. In my opinion, the best hood on the market. Can anybody say Brazers? Getting ready for that ceramic coat. He's coming along for the ride. Come on. Alright, the cut and polish is all done. It's about the time to ceramic coat it. Alright, we got one coat done. Super wet. One more coat to do. Alright, that is 2 coats of ceramic coating. Looks absolutely stunning and beautiful. I will be taking this to the park to get a photo shoot tomorrow and some video footage of it not being directly under lights. So until then, we'll see you tomorrow. Damn, look at that carbon fiber. This is almost 24 hours after the ceramic coating and it looks fucking amazing. Once again, every single one of these vents are functional for heat release. And of course we do have a scoop right into the intake. I don't know if you guys can see that in there. Let me shine a light. Just makes the car look so much more aggressive. Both cars are freshly washed. Look at that paint. More changes coming soon, guys. Alright guys, this Ventus Veloce hood looks absolutely amazing. Just look at it behind me with the city. And honestly, I couldn't be any happier with how it turned out. Obviously, the ceramic coating did this hood justice and made the carbon just pop so much more, and it looks fantastic. Big shout out to the detailer. Instagram right here. If you're in the Fresno area, definitely hit him up. I'm definitely happy with the result. It took about 4 hours to do a hood. He gave me a great deal, so I'm going to pass it on to you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you enjoy the hood. I definitely enjoy the hood. If you do, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Go ahead and check out my Instagram and Snapchat for all the pictures that's coming up with the RS and the new carbon fiber hood. Until next time, I'm checking out.
Yeah, boy.